Severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Houston County and southeastern Alabama, northeastern Jackson County, and north central Decatur County and southwestern Georgia.
The 74-200 crashed.
Western Georgia, southwestern Baker County and southwestern Georgia, central Early County and southwestern Georgia, Seminole County and southwestern Georgia, until
I don't know how to fix it.
Eastern Daylight Time or 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What?
And 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Stay off.
or 3:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located
None of the 261s went off.
Columbia to near Cottonwood, moving at 35
That's
miles
understandable.
per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact
That scared me.
damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I wasn't ready for that.
Impacted include Donaldsonville, Bainbridge, Centerville, Malone, Gordon, Iron City, Damascus, Bridgeton,
At least the 250 went
Bascom,
off.
Crosby, Grangeburg, Rock Hill, Donaldsonville Airport, Bellevue, Howardsville, El Dorado, Chattahoochee, SP, and Cooktown. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Jackson, Florida, and the following counties in Georgia, Decatur, and Seminole. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station.
250 has EOM. 249 doesn't.